earlier I said that there is more than one red triangle here, and I just want to explain that to you. So up here we have show inactive, and you can see the check box here, it hasn't been checked, and the show secondary hasn't been checked either. So if I check the show inactive, I can see that I have an inactive code in the EMS part of it, so the engine management system part, and the code is not active. The code's not active. It's a number 1 code, so it was there was a fault in it. There's the timestamp. It's only happened 2 times, so it's not a lot. And over here it's an information code for the NOx control, and it can't be deleted. So anything to do with emissions, you'll find even once you fix the fault, if it was active, when it becomes inactive, chances are you won't be able to clear it. That's just for emission regulations and rules. It's nothing that you're doing wrong. That's just how it is. It's just to make sure that no one's mucking about with the emissions control systems. So the other one that's up here is the secondary. Now this is really good. I like this because it doesn't always happen on some systems. So this one here, you can see I've got an active fault in the brake system. So I've got the symbol in there. So there's a brake management system code, and you can see it says it's number 2. So it's a secondary fault. Now that means that it's not a fault in the system, but I'm relying on information to come from another system to tell me what's wrong. And that number 2 is saying that actually I'm okay, but there's a fault somewhere else that's affecting my operation. So have a look. Now you can see that the suspension here has an active code. Now the actual suspension itself relays information back to the brake system to say how much weight is on the vehicle. The more weight, the more braking. So up here we can see that the heading is a CAN message. So it's the CAN bus issue. In other words, I'm not getting the messages that I should be getting. So hopefully what I would concentrate my effort on here is I would try and fix the suspension system. I would then check my codes, read them again, see if they've become inactive. Hopefully by fixing the primary fault, I'm going to then fix the secondary fault. So that's where that comes from. Really unique tool, very useful. You don't have it in all of them. Some of them will just show all the faults up at once, and you might want to have a bit of an educated guess as to which one to go for, or check the workshop manual to see what it advises you to do first.